This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 5, Lesson 15. In this lesson, we're going to continue subtracting on a place value chart and recording our moves on a problem that we've written vertically. The first problem is 758 minus 387. I'm going to write that problem off to the right in the vertical format. So I have 758 minus 387. The next step is to take the first number and show it on the place value chart using place value discs. So I need 7 hundreds, 5 tens, and 8 ones. I'll start my subtraction in the ones column. So it tells me I need to subtract 7 ones from the 8 that are there. So I'm just going to cross off 7 ones, and that leaves 1. In the tens column, I need to subtract 8 tens. I only have 5 tens, so I need to get some more tens. I'm going to take one of my hundreds, decompose it into 10 tens, and I'll show this move on the vertical format. I took one of my hundreds, that left 6 hundreds. I decomposed the 100 into 10 tens and combined it with the 5 tens that were already there. Now I can subtract my 8 tens. So I'll cross off 8 discs, and that leaves me with 7 discs, or 7 tens. And in my hundreds column, I need to subtract 3 hundreds. I'll cross off 3 discs. That leaves me with 3 hundreds. My final answer is 371. Let's look at another example. This time I have 788 minus 299. I'll write the problem off to the side vertically, keeping my place values lined up one on top of the other. And then I'll show 788 on the place value chart as 7 hundreds, 8 tens, and 8 ones. Starting in my ones column, I need to subtract 9 ones. I only have 8 ones, so I will need to take one of my tens, decompose it into 10 ones, and I'll show that on the vertical format. So I took one of my tens, that left 7 tens. I decomposed the 10 into 10 ones and combined it with the 8 that were already there. Now I have 18 ones, and I can subtract 9 ones by crossing off 9 discs. So 18 minus 9 leaves me with 9. In my tens column, I need to subtract 9 tens. I only have 7 tens, so I'll decompose one of my hundreds. Change that into 10 tens. I'll show that over on the vertical format. So I took one of my hundreds, that left me with 6 hundreds. I decomposed it into 10 tens and combined it with the 7 that were already there for a total of 17 tens. Now I can subtract 9 tens. And that leaves me with 8 tens. 17 tens minus 9 tens is 8 tens. And finally, I need to subtract 2 hundreds, cross that off, and I'm left with 4 hundreds. And my final answer is 489.